Welcome to SK Creatives channel. Guys, many people are asking me why we are getting claim under maintenance when you are going to apply. Click on online service and claim form 311910C. So when you go like you're getting like this type of error. Online claim service is under maintenance. So I called to the EPFO office yesterday and they said wait for 10 days. They're going to fix the issue soon. Their IT department is working on to fix this issue. Why you were getting this type of error means from 1st April 2018 they have said to everyone need to apply through online only. So that's why the heavy application claim application they're getting through the online. So that's why it's getting error. This is the third time in this year we are getting this type of error. So just wait for few days, 1 week or 2 weeks, they're going to fix the issue. And they said we cannot say that this error will come again. So when this issue get fixed, just apply and get your PF. And I wanted to tell you one more doubt is asking many people. So PAN card is updated, but they said it's failed. It's not getting verified. If it is not get verified also there is no problem. It's a bug error. And if you can't able to update the PAN number, just inform your employer, the company, they will update the PAN number. If they can also not able to update, then visit the directly to the EPF office and submit a hard copy there, and they will going to update. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.